Avoiding resume mistakes. Elevate your first impression. Hello everyone. Today, we'll delve into the common mistakes people make while writing their resumes and how to sidestep them. Your resume is your first impression to your potential employers, so you definitely want to make it count. Let's ensure yours stands out for all the right reasons. Nothing sends your resume to the discard pile faster than glaring typos. Even small errors can be a big turn-off. Always proofread your resume multiple times. Consider having someone else look it over too. A fresh pair of eyes can catch mistakes you've overlooked. Use tools like spell checkers, but don't rely solely on them. Striking the right balance in length is crucial. One page is usually ideal for beginners or those with a few years of experience. Senior professionals can consider 2 pages. Every line on your resume should add value. If it doesn't, remove it. Objective statements like, seeking a challenging position to utilize my skills, are overused and vague. Be specific about what you're looking for. Tailor your objective to align with the job you're applying for. Employers want to see how you added value in your past roles. Instead of merely listing tasks, highlight your achievements. Use numbers where possible. For instance, increased sales by 20% is more impactful than handled sales. Words like hardworking, team player, and go-getter are overused. Be specific and provide examples or evidence. Instead of saying hardworking, mention a project where your extra effort was crucial for success. Employment gaps can be a red flag. Always explain significant gaps, such as taking time off for further education or personal reasons. Honesty is key. It's better to explain than to leave hiring managers guessing. Not everything from your past is relevant to the job you're applying for. Tailor your resume for each job. Leave out unrelated experiences, unless they provide transferable skills or value. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, your resume is a reflection of you. With these tips in hand, you're well on your way to making a stellar first impression. Happy job hunting, and we hope this video has been enlightening.